Alright, how's it going, you guys? So today I wanted to make a video showing you my Bitconnect account so that you can take a look at my wallet, my Bitconnect, my lending wallet, my Bitconnect wallet, and my earnings. So right now my total investment is $7,000. Um, I have zero capital released, and my total earnings so far have been $3,328.10. Now it's only 10:45 a.m., so I still have more earnings coming for the day, but so far we're having a really good day and I've made $89.16 today on the 1.44% return for today, January 10th, 2018. Now, what I wanted to show you guys was a hack. Not necessarily a hack, but something you guys can do to compound your already compounded earnings. So right now I'm earning interest based off of money and earnings that I have reinvested over and over and over again, which you can see here. These are all the reinvestments. And basically what I did last night, I had about $600 in here. And what I did is I transferred it over to my Bitconnect wallet because I noticed that one coin last night, if you take a look at Coinbase, the price of Bitcoin had dropped a little bit last night. Let's see, it was about right here dropped to like 13,560, and I was up around that time, and I noticed that happened, so I knew that the value of BitConnect would drop as well, since the coins are kind of linked. So it ended up dropping to about the lowest I saw it at was $320, I believe, and the high I've usually seen it as like $410. So I what you do is you hold your money in your lending wallet, and then if you don't plan on reinvesting it and you want to transfer it to Bitcoin, what I do is I wait for the price to go down of the coin. So I let it drop to 320, then I transferred it all over. So yesterday I transferred it over and I was able to have almost two coins because of the lower price. And then um, I just wait and let this go back up to 400, and basically you do the math and you times 400 times the amount you have here. And for example, if I let it go back up to 400 and I multiply it times 1.87 coin that I have, I'd have $748 versus the 600 that I originally transferred over. So right there, I'm already earning money just by letting it sit and like timing it right. And then on top of that, if I transfer it into Coinbase into my Bitcoin account when Bitcoin is low and let it sit and wait for it to go up, then on top of those earnings, then I'm making even more money. So that's a little hack you guys can use to kind of multiply the amount of times your money's getting compounded even further. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll be bringing you guys more updates. And apology for the lack of YouTube videos lately. I've just been really busy, a lot of things going on. But I will continue to update you guys as we continue on. But my goal is to have $10,000 active investment and to make my initial 5,000 back, and then only, I guess, risk money that are strictly earning, so I'm not risking any real money. Again, thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon.